Puff, your personal pelvic floor recovery coach. Wrapped in smooth, medical-grade silicone, Puff is designed for total comfort and body safety. Pair with the app's professional assessment system. The Honey Playbox app offers simple guided training courses. Connect to the app, insert Puff, and assess your pelvic strength in just 2 minutes. Quick, easy, and appointment-free. No more high medical bills or long doctor wait times. With advanced inflation and pressure feedback technology, Puff delivers precise assessments every time. Its flexible memory shaft adapts to different training stages and muscle strengths. Be your own coach. Evaluate your pelvic health in the privacy of your own space. Effortless, professional pressure training courses for real results. Puff's pressure sensor monitors your pelvic floor contractions in real time, giving you a clear view of your progress and effectiveness. Just 15 minutes a day, and you'll develop a stronger core to do what you love with more control. Achieve phase-by-phase strength improvement, tracking your progress from D to a level health. Puff, your personal pelvic floor recovery coach.